Goodbye. We have a business trip today.
Max, you are a grown man. Take care of Mia and lock the doors.
Yes, Dad. Don't worry. Have a safe trip, Mom and Dad. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow, kids.
Yeah. I lock the door now. The kitchen is clean now. Let's clean the kitchen, Mia. Okay. I will read my book now. Here is your juice, Max. Thank you, Mia.
It is dark now. A good time for me. Let me look inside. Oh, the window is open. I jump in. No one is in the kitchen. Very good. I take this iPad and blender. I must be quiet. Oh no. The plate!
Huh? Huh? What is that sound? Did you hear that, Mia? Yes. Is it a cat? Mia? What? I will go and check.
Oh, a strange man!
I must be careful. Yeah! Oh. It is a thief. We need help. I have my phone here. Hello? Help, please. Hello, police. We have a thief in our house. Hunt Mama Dan.
We will come right now. Stay hidden.
Okay, I'm hiding.
Good girl, we are on our way.
Let's hide in the laundry room. Hurry up, Max.
Where is the money? A nice computer. I will take it.
He is outside the room.
I walk this way.
I will distract him. Go, little ball.
What is rolling? Who is there? I will find you. Ouch! My back! Oh no. My bag is gone.
We are near the house. Lowering down Mr. 15 right up his door here.
Thank goodness you're here.
I must stand up and run. Just get up. Almost there. Must run.
Stop the car here. Let's go. Okay, I gotcha. Freeze! Hands up! Don't shoot! I stop! Stand up slowly. Oh my God. You are under arrest. No.
Is it safe now?
Are you Max and Mia? You are safe now.
Yes, we are. Thank you, officers.
You're welcome, children. You did well to call us and stay hidden. I am sorry. Here are your things. Goodbye, stay safe.
Bye-bye. Goodbye, officers. I must check the kitchen. I close the window now. We must check all windows next time. Yes. Safety is the most important. Our house is clean again. I am happy we are safe. Let's watch some TV. Wow, this music video is so cool. Yeah, I love the beat. Good night, Max. Well, now you know how to stay safe. Remember these tips.